Right, so as you can see, these weeds and moss have been treated. If you sort of go in there, you'll see how black it's gone. So what we're going to try and do is rake out the moss. It's not a very big section in this garden, so something that you can do yourself. Yeah, just rake it out and then put some seed over the top of it. If you look closely, you're going to see that I've exposed the soil a little bit. Now this is quite important because when you overseed, your seed needs to touch soil, otherwise it's not going to germinate. So yeah, when you raking, make sure you rake in both directions, obviously to try and get as much moss out as possible. This little area is approximately 4 square meters, and it took me, I would say, the best part of say 20-25 minutes to rake, and I've managed to get quite a pile. So what we're going to do now is obviously move this to the side, and then overseed. The overseed that I'm going to put down is a high quality seed. Once again, you know, if you're going to be doing any renovation work, use a good quality seed. Don't skimp on the seed. It is a lot of work. And then to use seed that doesn't work properly. And then one more time, just make sure that once you've raked in both directions and you've left some open soil, because that seed is going to need contact with the soil in order to germinate.